Hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about Pure Storage and its allocation technique. So Pure Storage is one of the simplest storages that I've found in terms of its usability and the facilities it provides. Moving ahead is that there are some basic guidelines that you have for SAN allocation in terms of Pure Storage performance, that are listed on their site, and which are also something that if you belong to this domain you might be knowing about. So if you're using a fiber channel, then use all the flash arrays fiber channel ports, and if it's a single initiator, then try to do multi-target zoning, which I've also talked about in my zoning videos. If you are going to use ISLs, then you have to watch for the frame discards on ISLs. Otherwise, ignore using it if you have a smaller environment. Verify that all the paths are clean on the switch and address any cyclic redundancy errors or anything similar to that, whatever errors are there in port error show in Brocade. And then you can use consistent port speed fabric. The SFPs can be 2 to 8 GBs, but try to use consistent, the same size. It will help you in your performance. And if you're using iSCSI, then do not root it, and then VLAN tagging is only supported in Pure 4.6.0 plus, so go for that. Use MTU of 9000. Use all of the flash arrays interfaces. Please try to do this. It's very critical for the iSCSI performance. Verify all the paths are clean. Address any CRCs or similar errors as told in earlier slide. Create at least 8 sessions per host, right? Or use all the given interfaces. Moving ahead, SAN allocation in Pure is very simple. The basic steps involved here are to zone the host and the array to a switch. I have covered it in zoning, and there are zoning videos out there for both Cisco and Brocade on my channel. You may go through it. Then you can register those zoned WWNs of the host on the array and allocate the volumes of the required size and connect them. You'll start seeing them on your host once it is connected. And as we move ahead, to register the host WWNs or to add the host in the Pure, you got to start from the lowest step mentioned in the site. Confirm the host WWN on the host and switch it has been connected to. There are two ways of doing this registration of host. One is through CLI and other is GUI. It's a very basic command on CLI, which is pure host create. Then you give all the WWNs against its parameter and the host name. In GUI, you can just go to the storage tab, click on the host, add the host and its WWNs, and just press OK. It's as simple as that. Pure's GUI is very similar to All Flash Array VMAX. If you've ever worked on it, you'll find it quite similar to that. Then Pure volumes are created, and then they can be connected to the host that you just registered in the previous slide. You can click on the plus sign here on the volumes on the left hand side and enter the simply enter the volume name and the size you want, details they have asked for. Then once the volume shows up on the UI, you can select it and go to the settings clock here on the right hand side, and there's a drop down that will suggest you to connect the volume, which will give you a list of all the host and host groups. You can select host or host group, whichever might be considerable in your scenario, and then it gets connected. Simple. If you're using a CLI, then you just got to use this command of pure vol create. The size in this G means gigabytes, and the volume names, how many volumes you want of the same size. Once all those volumes are created, you can connect those volumes to either host as mentioned in the first command or to the host group as mentioned. So CLI looks like any Linux CLI if you worked. There are some people who are more comfortable with command line, so they can go with this. Otherwise, they already provide a GUI, which is quite simple. Now, some of the basic day-to-day Pure commands are like Pure Wall List. It will list all the volumes. Then Pure Wall Destroy, which will destroy the volume. However, it will remain in the system for another 24 hours. So can be recovered if you've accidentally done this. Pure Wall Snap is going to create a snapshot of the volume you are going to give here. And Pure Wall Set attribute and the size you will give will increase the volume size to that number of gigabytes. So Pure Volume is a very simple you can say storage array in terms of usage, and has been made in a way that it is less complex for the people using it. And I personally like it for mid-level businesses. However, for enterprise, I don't consider it a very good array to go by. Apart from that, I've already given an introduction of Pure in my previous videos. We can go ahead with more such procedures like deallocation, creating snapshots, replication in future videos. Please do let me know how you like the video, what more you'd like us to cover. And we are a team of a couple of people who take up some consultations also. So just get back to us for any queries if you have. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Techie Magnet.